One of the best summer fruits you can easily grow yourself from seeds. Start with a ripe rock melon. Cut it open and scoop out the seeds into a strainer. Wash them well under running water to remove all the sweet pulp. Then spread them out on a paper towel and leave them to dry for 1 or 2 days. Fill a small cup with good potting mix. Plant about 6 seeds 1 centimeter deep and keep the soil just damp, not soaking. Put them in a bright, warm spot and they will sprout in 1 to 2 weeks. Once they grow their first proper leaves, gently move each seedling into its own separate pot. Keep giving them plenty of sunlight, about 6 to 8 hours a day, and water whenever the top of the soil feels dry. After about a month, they will grow strong. When the weather stays warm and there is no more frost, plant them out into full sun in the garden. In around 3 to 4 months, you will harvest your very own rock melons. Happy gardening!